Future of Texas' multi-billion-dollar hemp industry could be affected by a hearing just a few hours away.
This is a story we've been following for you. A judge is set to weigh whether a temporary block on new rules should stay in place. Political reporter Natalie Haddad has been following these developments since the state announced those changes. She's joining us now live in Plano with what's at stake, Natalie, in this temporary legal battle.
Hey, good morning to you both. This hearing happening for the next 3 days is, again, expected to last only a couple of days. And smoke shops like the ones behind me are waiting anxiously to see what they can and cannot sell. A lot of product on the line. So this is going to need some context. In March, the state passed rules to tightly regulate hemp products with Delta-9 THC. That is the compound that gets you high. Then in April, a judge blocked those new rules from taking effect. And now this week, a judge will decide whether those products can stay on shelves while this legal fight continues. A lot of these rules actually have support from the hemp industry, things like child-resistant packaging, clearer labeling, and stricter testing. But so those aren't the problem. The real fight is over the fees. Retailers used to pay $150 a year. Now they have to pay $5,000. Manufacturers, it jumps from $250 to $10,000. And then there's the bigger question of how does one measure THC? Hemp and marijuana come from the same plant, cannabis. The difference is the amount of Delta-9 THC that is measured. Under 0.3%, it's hemp. But over that, it is legally marijuana. But how this is measured is now at the center of these lawsuits. So to recap, the hearing that is happening over the next few days here in Texas is not about whether we reverse these new hemp regulations. It's whether the pause on them stays in place and if sellers like this can continue to sell some of their Delta-9 THC products. This hearing is expected to start at 9 a.m. today. I'm going to be watching it and we'll bring you updates as we get it. I'll send it back to you in studio.